Hello and welcome back to Beae. So this is another video about Beae element, accordion. I will show you how to use this element by creating a full section with the accordion element. And you're gonna see a various option right here. And move it into another places. You can also add item, and this is the select icon option. You can use our free icon or upload it your own icon. And the icon active. It will appear in page, and this is how you can change the icon position, the title of the HTML tag. To the design section, we will have alignment, and I will change it into the center. And for the typography, we have several options like the font and size and weight. Transform everything you need to just change your text by the way you want. For the style, I will add nothing for the style and just line height. I will change the line height into 49, and for letter spacing, I'll change it to this one's 0.5. Also, this is the global color that I have setting, and I can also add a background for your accordion. We recommend you should try each of them to find out different function of this element. And for the accordion content, which is the text, we have text video, so you can watch it to see how we customize the text. Full option have general option for this element. So this is the end of my video, and remember to turn on your notification so that you won't miss out any interesting introduction or tutorial videos from Beae.